boats are a great way to make lifelong memories with friends and family. First though, there are a few crucial tips to learn about mitigating potential safety hazards when it comes to loading and maneuvering. Here are our must-know tips for boat safety. First, make sure your boat is seaworthy. You can schedule a free evaluation with the U.S. Coast Guard to ensure that your boat complies with state and federal requirements. It's also critical to check that your trailer is appropriate for your boat's weight and size. And before you take off, always check the weather so you aren't surprised by an abrupt storm. Outfit your boat with proper safety gear including rope, a first aid kit, life jackets for each person on board, throwable flotation devices, fire extinguishers, waterproof flashlights or flares, and sound signaling devices such as a horn and personal whistles. Understand right-of-way so that you know what to do if you come upon other boats. Vessels that are towing should be given top priority, followed by non-powered vessels, then powerboats and seaplanes. Beyond that, vehicles crossing on your right typically have the right-of-way. No signals to communicate with other boaters. One horn blast indicates that you are going to pass a boat on your left, port side. 2 indicates that you are going to pass on your right, starboard side. 3 indicates backing up. Be aware of off-boat hazards such as extremely cold water, rapid weather changes, and heat stroke. Dress for the water temperature. Pack water and snacks to stay hydrated. Use sunscreen and shade to prevent burns and heat stroke, and be on the lookout for rocks or other obstacles.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! Good job, buddies.
Be prepared in case of emergency. Inform friends or family on shore of your boating plans so they can alert authorities if you don't arrive home on time. Keep a charged cell phone or marine radio on you for communication, and stay with your vessel if it capsizes so rescue workers can find you. A little preparation can help you have an awesome boating excursion. With a seaworthy boat, proper gear, and some education about procedures, you can have a safe and fun day on the water. Like, subscribe, and tell us about your dream boat in the comments.